So on today's video we're going to be repairing a Samsung A20e screen replacement. So first of all we start with taking off the back. So once that's off, you start taking off all the screws on the back. Once that's done, you start removing the black plastic covers. You start with disconnecting the battery first. Then you can start removing the screws and black plastic at the bottom. As soon as that's done, you can start disconnecting the connectors. Then you can start removing the screw that's holding the charging port down. Once that's done, you gently lift up the charging port and lift up the motherboard as well. Then you could take your old screen and put on a heat mat or use a hair dryer to remove the vibration motor, and so now you can transfer the parts onto the new screen. Now you can put the motherboard onto the new screen. So you put on the screw to hold down the charging port now. So you can start with connecting up the volume and power button onto the motherboard. You will need to remove the earpiece from the old screen and install it onto the new screen. So you need to heat up your old screen to remove the battery, then you can install it into. Once that's done, you can start to connect everything back up. So now you could install the plastic covers back onto the phone, starting with the bottom and then connecting the battery and doing the top next. So now you could go ahead and connect the fingerprint back onto the phone.